Hey guys, my name is Scoby. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up redirects for your website in CPanel. This is going to be a nice, quick and easy tutorial. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing you want to do is come to your CPanel, and we're going to be coming to our search bar on the top, and we're going to be searching for redirects. You want to click this page open, and then you're going to be brought to this next page where we're going to be able to set up redirects. So the first thing you want to do is set up, in this case, is which type of redirect you want to select. If you want to select a permanent or temporary redirect. Now this is mainly for search engines. If you want to set up a temporary redirect, it will tell search engines that it's only temporary and that they want to keep the main page active to be ready to be found later on. Or if it's a permanent move of location, then you should set this up to be a permanent redirect so search engines will know what the case is. The next thing you can do is select which domain or subdomain you want to use. In this case, I'm going to be using my base domain, scobyscontent.com, or of course you can use one of your subdomains in this case if you wish. And then what you want to do is come to the redirects to option and put the URL of the website that you want to redirect to. All you want to do is copy this URL, paste it into the redirects to panel, and then you have this pretty much set up. The next thing you can do is set up www.redirection domains. In this case, I would just set it up to redirect with or without www. In this case, you're not really limiting yourself. Then all you want to do is click the add button. You'll be brought to this new page where it'll say your redirect has been added. Click go back, and then we'll see a list of our redirects at the very bottom. But it's that easy to set up redirects in CPanel. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new. Check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to leave a link down below to my PayPal if you found this video helpful and you want to support me. Of course, there's no pressure if you can't. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.